I kick this off?
Bob, we get this question a lot from clients and prospects. Do folks really need to back up their cloud-based email and data?
So I think everybody assumes that if their stuff, whatever it is, email, SharePoint data, OneDrive data, whatever it happens to be, this flows over to Google too, workspace stuff. If it's in the cloud, it must be protected, it must be backed up. If I have any problems, they're just going to take care of it.
Microsoft's got it.
Yeah, they got my back. I pay them, so I must get that as part of the deal. The deal is no, they do not have your back on data. Their job, and they put this in print, they've press released this is on their website, they have responsibility for keeping the infrastructure running. So whatever the application is and the systems, let's just say servers for this discussion, that it runs on, storage, power, cooling, blah, 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 that makes it work, that's their responsibility. It starts and stops there. And you say, well, that includes the data because it's in there. Well, it is in there, and if it's working and accessible, yes, they are delivering it to you, but that is still where their responsibility ends. This is the whole shared responsibility model that everybody talks about a lot with cloud delivered applications. Yes, they have a responsibility for keeping the system running. You have a responsibility for making sure your data is protected. And the verbiage in Microsoft's press release is, we do not have any responsibility for your data. There could be data loss. You should copy the information that you store here to a third party. And it's one of the things that we do with every client we put on our systems is we put a backup tool on that doesn't matter if it's Google or Microsoft, but it is copying quote unquote cloud to cloud. So it's getting out of Microsoft system a copy 3 times a day and putting it into an alternate location. So if things go haywire, you're not sitting there with an empty mailbox where you used to have 25,000 messages and they're all gone. They can be recovered. So, and this goes to other applications. We talk about 365 or Google Workspace. This could be Microsoft Azure, virtual machine servers. Yes, I agree. They are running those systems and you're using them, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the backup button is on or that you can get your data back seamlessly with their tool.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.